Sabiotismo. He's a good man. He's a family man, and most of all, he's a friend forever. Si Fred Chapon Himbawa is a perfectionist. He always strives to have his work done in excellence. And to prove that, pag-graduate din niya sa high school, sa Holy Cross Academy, so already planned to move to Sago, a return from the college days. So, he prepared his college for 3 or 4 years. And in 1959, he graduated in the Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in accounting. Pag-graduate niya, there are only 2 graduates who have achieved the highest honor at Ateneo de Cagayan. Si Fred Sabiotismo was graduated as summa cum laude, major in accounting. He's the first. The second was the summa cum laude was given to Aquilino Nini Pimentel Jr. He had been grew up in 1959. So in college, I was the first as a friend nakapuyo na sa amo sa Bayo, Pilipinas Street. Inspired ko po mag-accounting sa first. So, nakuma ko college in accounting. Nandito magaya mathematics, arithmetic. So, nagpatulog ko sa iya. Si Fred is not this word. He is so generous in his talent. His money and time. Tapo, kita sa hotel sa mga butang na gusto niya tabangan. Fred really cares and concerned sa iyang mga tao. When he was graduated, pumiro niya nga, pumiro niya nga, panabaho, dito siya na-sign sa Vincent. And then, maayong siya magbabaho, yung tira siya sa Sipako, sa kanilang bawal. After 3 or 4 years, yung tira na siya sa Philippine Hockey Corporation. Dito siya, hunted nga na-retire siya. But all these years, hindi agad character, the quality, the person, they always strive for perfection. They always strive for excellence. Ito nga pagkatulog ko niya sa accounting, sa mathematics, hindi ko niya bunal ng ulo. Sa lima ng ulo. But anyway, that's the man. He's a true man, he's a true family man. But he's also a first warrior. Kung masubukan ko sa guli na kasukan, paano yung tayo? Daw, kaya dulo siya. So, again, one of my communities, and then I will say, friends and gentlemen, let us pray for the soul of the Sabiotismo that he may reach and he dwells with the angels and saints in heaven.